The visa bulletin is now available for people to apply for EB2 green card. This is great news because a lot of people have been waiting for their application to become accessible for maybe a year and a half. And we as a company have come across this problem as well because we have a lot of clients who now have an endorsed EB2 application, and since then we have been waiting for the visa bulletin to become available to be able to apply for a green card. This is amazing. This is changing the immigration landscape for a lot of people, and in today's video I will be talking in more detail about what happened and how you guys can utilize the latest update. Let's begin. First, if you want to have a consultation about your immigration procedure, any questions that you may have about immigration to the United States, you can sign up for a free consultation using the link in the description of this video, and we'll be happy to consult you on any matter regarding this issue. So first, for people who don't know, the visa bulletin is a document that is updated monthly by the US Department of State. And when this document is issued, and it has some updates for people who are applying to immigrate to the United States on EB2 category, EB1 category, and pretty much any EB visa. And recently, on March 1st, we have come across the new visa bulletin, which has become available, and it features the letter C, meaning that all applications that were endorsed as of now can now apply for EB2 green card straight away. Previously, when you applied and you were endorsed for EB2 category, you had to wait for maybe a year before you can apply for your green card because there was a lot of people wanting to apply for EB2, and that's why there was like a line of people pretty much wanting to do the same as you. But now they got rid of this wait time, and we can apply for a green card straight away, which is game-changing. But when you look at the visa bulletin, you have to keep in mind that there are two tables. First, when you wanted to get a green card and you apply from outside the United States, you had to apply to a US consulate, you had to set up your immigrant visa interview, and after that you are issued an immigrant visa. Then you get to the United States and you get your green card in mail. But for people who, for example, are in the United States and they want to get a green card, they want to legalize, this is different because there's a second table, and this is exactly for you, and the current availability has become pretty much available exactly to you, to people who are inside the United States. Why this is game-changing? Because we have seen a lot of changes in immigration in the last year since Donald Trump has come into office, and we have seen a lot of negative changes. We have seen the ban for 75 countries when applying for immigrant visas outside the US. We have seen the ban on applying pretty much to any visa for a lot of Muslim countries. We have seen the strengthening and like becoming more strict about admitting people on a TPS or any humanitarian program, and a lot of other changes that have affected the immigration landscape. And this is one of the few positive changes. We see that the immigration for EB2 categories for people from countries with historically low levels of immigration is becoming less stringent, less strict. So for people who want to relocate to the United States, who are already in the United States and wanting to legalize in some way, please don't hesitate, contact us. You have a link in the description of this video, and we'll be happy to provide a legal immigration advice on your exact situation. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in next video.